Hey guys, so day number 7, no booze. Woo! So, well, yeah, day number 7, no booze. So that's good. A whole week, well, tomorrow, yeah, at the end of today will be a whole week. So, yeah, it's going well. Been a bit stressed today trying to organise lots of different things, but I've feel like I'm on point now. I've got stuff organised, ready for the next week ahead, and just about to meet my friends to go camping. It's going to be fun. So we're going to be getting all mystical at 9 Ladies, so that should be really, really fun. I've got my ukulele, I've got my tarot cards, I've got my crystals, tent and sleeping bag of course. But yeah, this video will be posted a day late because I didn't get a chance to make the video before going out and post it up. But yeah, it's probably just a quick one anyway, because yeah. I'm just feeling a bit distracted really, and I'm on this big loud noisy road which is a pain in the bum, so I'm gonna go now. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I know this is a quick short one, but just to say keeping it up. Yeah, I think the other girls are bringing some alcohol tonight, but I'm not gonna have any. So, yeah. Woo. I'm just going to be breathing in the nature and drunk on all the trees and that, you know. Trees are good. So yeah, anyway, so have a lovely day guys, and you know, try and get yourself out camping, because camping's really fun. But I'm going to go now because I'm pretty out of breath and tired. But yeah, peace. Oh, they're still coming.
Oh my god, loads of them. There's loads. Oh my god, there's literally like all of them.
Yay! You go, dear, you go.
Look at this one at the back. Come on.
Hammering it.
Come on, baby. Look. Bambi, go. Bambi. They're still coming. Look at that really tiny one. Oh. Right, I think yeah. Look at them. You don't normally see them out this early. Like, actually, that's really...
Bambi squad goals crossing the road.
Never in my life has that ever happened. No, that doesn't happen. Like, we're on a magical journey, girls. Oh, isn't it still landscape? Yeah.
Yay,
And
magical.
I don't moving into
Loving
the
it.
eclipse. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I think we're just going at them.
Hello. You're beautiful. I won't hurt you.
Is this the back of the thing?
Hi guys. So had a really awesome camping sesh. We got loads of snacks and goodies, mainly hummus and lots of variety of crisps. Actually quite ridiculous, really tasty. Yeah, we got there and it was raining immediately. Really like misty and atmospheric. And you know, the trees were making a beautiful noise. And yeah, the weather was a bit crazy, but none of us complained, and we were just like, well, that's what it is basically. And I felt like, well, we all felt like it cleansed us. We didn't actually do any tarot or ukulele playing or anything because we were too busy yapping away. So I felt like we did soothe and cleanse, and it was pretty much like a share circle the whole time. So, and then it was like the wind was agreeing with what we were saying and washing away, the rain washing away any negative energy. Not that we were feeling towards each other, because we all felt comfortable and nice with each other, but wash away any negativity in our lives. I did feel really refreshed the next day, and like none of us slept properly because it was raining and thunder and kind of weird weather, so it was like this shallow sleep of like weird lucid dreaming sort of thing. It was really weird. Then with like sheep barring in the background, because there was some sheep about. I'll add them to the video. I don't know if I'll put them on before or after this part of the video. But yeah, and then with this one sheep come up to say hello, and then like we had little lanterns, and then he sort of sniffed the lantern, and then it must have like been really hot and maybe burnt his nose a little bit. So he was like, oh, and then he went off then. We saw amazing deer like running across the road as we were like driving up to where we were camping. That was so amazing. I'll add that as well. We saw a lovely little robin, and yeah, it was just a really nice time. Just so nice being out in nature and around all the trees and breathing in fresh air, and it was so nice. I realised it's the first time I've been camping without any guys. So it was like a different dynamic of just us three ladies at the 9 ladies. So that was really cool. And yeah, we didn't even do a fire or anything. We just had 3 lanterns. And we felt like the warmth of our energy kept us warm, because it was really nice vibes. I tested out my tent. That was really good. Didn't get wet inside, even though it was raining like the whole time. It was a bit small, but for $12.95 I can't really complain. So yeah, feeling prepared for camp out. And yeah, going to Brighton tomorrow, so just getting everything ready today. So yeah, all a bit hectic really, but it's all good. It's all for enjoying stuff, so I may be a bit tired, but I feel like it's going to be worth it for nice times with all my different groups of friends. So this is like my summer holiday part, I guess. So yeah, day 8 today of being sober, so that's really good. I didn't drink at camping. I don't feel like I needed to or wanted to at all. And then I've not even thought about alcohol today at all. So yeah, it was more the other day when I fancied a pint, but like when we have urges for things, you can just know that it passes, so you can just you can say no or you can say yeah. But I was finding it hard to say no for a little point, and find it really easy to say no at a certain point. So now I feel like I'm back on track with being able to just say, just be able to, follow my heart and do what I know is right for myself, and stop denying my inner voice that's telling me to stay on this good, clean path. Because I just feel so much better, and I'm not missing out on things the next day and stuff while not drinking. So it's been really moody, misty, dreary weather, but weirdly it's not been getting me down since this camping and that. I felt like mystical vibes, and then I've just been listening to Billie Holiday today, 3 different CDs of hers. In fact, I'll show you because they're very... This one, 1939 to 1942. That was absolutely amazing for £1 from St. Luke's. And then this Billie Holiday one. That one's pretty good. And then this Billie Holiday one. I've got all the Billie Holidays, guys. She's just so soulful and she's so amazing. Just that soul and that feeling, and the blues, man, the blues. Just, she does sad so good. Yeah, they don't make artists like that anymore. Just that sound and that quality and the crackling in the background. And, oh, it's just fucking so nice. Now it's all tinny, overproduced, over complicated craziness in the charts. I don't even listen to any chart music. I just buy really cheap CDs from the charity shop. Yeah. There's like a massive St. Luke's near mine, so always raiding them, and there's so much good soul and jazz in there. I love jazz. So yeah, so that's good. So yeah, it's been really good getting out in nature. It's felt really nice. See some sheep, see some birds. Saw some cows on the way there, and even walking home today I saw a little snail. Yay. So went for a nice roast dinner at Sunshine Deli, so that was nice warm home comfort food. It was really tasty. I've not had roast in ages. Yorkshire puddings were really good. And just like saw some of my vegan before going away to Brighton for a couple of days, and then it's the vegan camp out. So I don't know how many videos I'll be able to do while I'm away. We're staying at Airbnb, so there probably will be internet, so probably will do some videos. But I might be too busy living my life, having fun, who knows. So yeah, I'll try and document all the stuff. Yeah, I just try and let it be organic. Sometimes I think, oh, maybe I should have captured this or captured that, but you can't sweat these things too much, guys. The things happen how they happen, and that's how they're meant to happen, so it's all good. So yeah, just go out in nature, shake it off. Nature, it's good. So yeah, you can check out as well some of my pictures and things that I put up on alt.seeing.ayei, which spells I. So yeah, alt.seeing.I on Instagram. If you want to follow me, I'll try and remember to put a link down below. Yeah, so I'm gonna go now and have a nice bath because I need to relax before all the hecticness. Gotta be up early tomorrow. So yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, get out in nature because it's good. So yeah, and cool thinking about ancestral stuff and that, being out in the wilderness at such a like sacred place like Nine Ladies. And also it's the new moon, so yeah, coming in with all those new energies and things. So felt like we had a good cleansing spiritual session without actually having to read any tarots or anything like that, so it's really good. Anyway, so sorry, you can tell I'm pretty tired. My hair's all messy. I've not showered yet from camping, so excuse the look. So yeah, anyway, I'm going now. Stop rambling, Aisha. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Peace and love and happiness to all of you. And remember to go and love some trees because it makes everybody happy. We're meant to be in nature. We're animals. Let us be free. Breathe and be and play. Yeah. So, yeah. Love you guys. Peace. Bye.